What have you done for me lately? No, this isn't just an 80s pop song. This is called recency bias, and it's actually affecting your company's performance data. Imagine you're a manager and you're running a performance evaluation for an employee named Jamie. At the beginning of the year, Jamie landed a huge deal for your company, and all of her coworkers were calling her a natural-born leader and highly skilled at her job. But in the last 2 months, Jamie's performance has slipped, and she's not picking up as much responsibility and leaving it up to her coworkers to pick up the slack. Now that it's time for you to evaluate Jamie's performance, your feedback is only focusing on things that have happened in the last 2 months, ignoring her valued contributions from earlier in the year. Recency bias is our brain's tendency to focus on things that have happened most recently and ignore things that have happened in the past, even if they're just as important. So ideally, Jamie's performance evaluation would focus on her performance throughout the entire year and not just the things that have happened in the last 2 months. So how do we limit the effects of recency bias in our performance evaluations? Develop a habit of collecting feedback on your employees throughout the year. So when Jamie completes a training, ask the instructor for feedback on her participation. And when Jamie completes a project, ask her teammates for feedback on how she did. This way, when you're completing her performance evaluation, you have feedback from the entire year instead of just relying on your memory. Want to run more objective evaluations? Culture Amp can help you reduce bias and run fair performance reviews. The platform knows who your employees work with across departments and automatically requests feedback. That way, when it's time for managers to fill out evaluations, they'll get a more complete view of their employees' performance. See how else Culture Amp can help you build a high-performance work culture, from performance reviews to goal tracking and much more. Visit the link in the description to watch the video.